Guys, there's a complete ghost here. Guys, there's a ghost here. And I'm so scared because I'm nearby. There's a ghost here. I just went to go to Days Online and there's a ghost here. He just played music and he's flying. I'm so scared. Guys, and you can be banned. Oh, don't go there, don't go there. It bans people.
Guys, get the party hat cleared. The party hat cleared. Okay. No. I have a party hat. I have one friend, but I don't want to use it. Everyone put on party hat. Treat me.
He jump scared me so bad.
Guys, is this real? Guys, is this real?
Bro, this is completely real. Why do you don't think it is real? It is complete real. This is real, not a troll or mother. There's a ghost here. Nice. I just started recording because it will get views, but it's so scary. I'm going up. I think it's... Where's the ghost? Where's the ghost? Guys, I'm lagging. I'm completely lagging. Help me, guys. If this video don't get any likes or views or subs, I'm a noob. Guys, where's the ghost?
No, we shouldn't.
Where's the ghost? Guys, where's the ghost? Guys, where's the ghost? Guys, where's the ghost? Guys, where's the ghost? Bro, I don't see him anywhere. Guys, don't say anytime again PPV thing. It is the worst. We almost get banned, but it doesn't ban us. Ghost! Come to forest. I can see my video is getting bad.
What are you doing?
Guys, I'm coming to caves.
Didn't do anything. Hey, stop it, guys! Hey, stop it! Good.
Guys, I'm coming.
Good that you Where is it? You're like sucking your ball sack. I tried to hit him. I tried to hit him.
Guys, there's a thing here.
The ghost is just...
Guys, there's a thing here. And this sound is so scary for me. And I finally come to caves.
Okay, this guy's flying, man. He's got to be a bot. He's flying. He's got to be
Where's the bots?
Well, we don't know yet. He has to be in there first.
Guys, everyone comes stomp. Everyone comes stomp.
And it goes, every ghost. This is not a warning, but for sure, it's not made a warning sound. So it should ban one of us or kick one of us. Go to the mirror. It's gonna. Go to mirror if you're a boss. Go to forest if you're a ghost. Which one did it go to? Bots don't listen to you, you know. You do know that bots don't listen. Wait, I've never been in here. I'll wait for you guys. Wait, here we go now.
Guys, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Is this a city?
Which map are you guys in?
Yeah.
Critters. He might be in there. He might be in there. He's in Critters, apparently.
Guys, I'm on city. Bro, this guy has been playing songs for nothing. and he didn't ban any of us. I think he's not a bot or a ghost, but I think he's a troller. But I don't know anything. Guys, I think I come to arcade. I will look at arcade.
I've been him. Yeah, you get happy. Find me, bitch.
Guys, where is this ghost or bots?
Find me. I'm on my warning. I'm on a warning anyway. You can find him. Kick me if you're on. I don't care. I already got a warning for a pirate.
Guys, where are you guys at? No, it is an arcade. No. What will do to me?
Now, where is this bitch?
Guys, I think it is on arcade and I'm so scared. I'm so stuck here.
Going from forest again.
Oh, it is forest? Okay, good. I'm going to forest.
I'm J-Man Curly, sir. J-Man Curly is not here. Wait, J-Man Curly?
Guys, I'm stuck. I'm lagging. I can't do anything. I'm lagging.
Leave the code now, guys. Leave the code. No, don't. It's not going to do anything. Watch. See what happens. Stay in the code and see what happens. But it's real. It's real. See what happens. If something comes, we can leave. And see what happens.
Guys, where is this ghost?
I got a bug for you.
Oh, no, I'm scared.
It says we have 10 minutes to leave.
What, 10 minutes? Is that not that?
It says we have 10 minutes. Bro, I don't want to get banned.
Guys, this ghost is so scary. I'm a friend him. Guys, I'm a friend this ghost.
Yeah, that's a book. That's a book.
Bro, what the heck are you doing? You're literally not a ghost.
We're not in anymore.
And